Unknown facts about the Nidhi-Van temple. All of us have visited or at least heard of the Nidhi-Van temple in Vrindavan. While the authenticity of the story behind it cannot be vouched for, it nevertheless is amazing to read about this God's own abode in one of the holiest town of the country. Where is it? Nidhi-Van is a sacred temple of Banke Bihari which is situated at Vrindavan. The major part of the temple is surrounded with huge bushy forests. Deriving its name. The temple derives its name from Nidhi meaning treasure and Van meaning forest. Hollow trees. An amazing part of the forest is that all trees are hollow here and have their branches twisted downwards. Greenery all around. Also, the land at the temple is really dry. Still, the trees remain green all throughout the year. Trees or gopis. It is said that these trees are in fact gopis. After nightfall, they perform Maharas Leela with Sri Krishna and Radha Rani. Connection with God. Those with wholesome devotion feel something amazing and attractive in this place. From all over the world, devotees come here to worship the unique form of God. Life all around. There is also an abundance of monkeys and chirping birds in Nidhi-Van. All the priests and devotees chants mantras in this place and makes the surrounding pure and religious. Story of the well. There is also a small well inside the area. It is believed that once while performing Ras Leela, Radha became thirsty and Krishna built a well with his flute and quenched her thirst. God in all its glory. Inside the temple there is a beautifully decorated and an attractive statue of Radha Krishna. Thousands of devotees visit here and offers prayers. The mystery behind it. After the evening aarti, all the windows in front of Nidhi-Van get closed till the morning. Restricted entry. It is believed that after nightfall, Sri Krishna himself comes here and performs Maharas Leela. Many locals have claimed to have heard the sound of ghungroos at night. Trees light up. It is said that all the trees around there light up at night to welcome the gods. Night stay at Banke Bihari temple is restricted. Those who have stayed back have either been found dead or have lost their minds. Pleasing the god. After the evening puja, some beautifying items like a sari, some laddus, bangles, palm leaves, kalash jal etc. are kept and the temple is locked. In the morning, as the temple gate opens, everything is found scattered, sweets are tasted and the palm leaves are chewed. It is believed that after Ras Leela, Sri Krishna and Radha Rani comes there for rest. Love and devotion. It is said that it is the love and devotion of the people of Vrindavan that forces Krishna to come there every night. Divine intervention. Many historians and scientists, in a bid to unlock the mystery, have visited this place but came back convinced that this place really houses the Lord. If you enjoyed watching our video, do like and share it and subscribe to our YouTube channel now.